and Z coloring zone. Hello friends, my name is Haram Fatima. Do you want to learn counting with me? Hey friends, can you help me count these bananas? Right answer. Wow, you are so genius. Hey friends, can you help me count these peacocks? No, it's wrong. No, it's wrong. Yes, right answer 9. 9 peacocks. Can you help me count these peacocks? Right answer 2. 2 peacocks. Can you help me count these telephones? Right answer 3. 3 telephones. Wow, you are so nice. Can you help me count these elephants? Right answer 10. 10 elephants. Very easy. Yes, you are so genius. 1 lion. Thank you so much, kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.